Okay, here is an unboxing video for a Fleece Coolant Bypass, specifically from the guys at Worley, WCFab 2013 to 2018 specific coolant bypass from Fleece Perfoamce. Let's do a little unboxing. First things first, the new design from Fleece thermostat housing, Fleece logo cast into it, the inlet for the coolant to come from the bypass built into it, powder coated. This is prismatic illusion cherry, my favorite powder coat color. If you watch my videos, this goes along with the theme under the hood of my truck. Easily the best looking part of this kit right there, so we'll put that there. Some WCFab stickers. This is your I think -8 AN to ORB fitting to go right there. So next you have the actual Fleece thermostat. Goes on the back of the engine. Replaces a freeze plug. You knock out the freeze plug, bolt this in its place. There's a thermostat in here, relieves coolant when it needs to, and reroutes it up to the front of the engine to the factory thermostat by way of this pipe here on billet aluminum, anodized black. Can't beat it. Okay, here's the super nice braided hose with this like heat shielding that goes over it, this like gloss black heat shielding. You got 90-degree bend on one side, straight on the other. Connects straight to your fitting here, and this fitting here. Doesn't get really any easier than that. And of course, there's a little bit of hardware included in the kit as well. These are the bolts that bolt the coolant bypass to the back of the engine. These are new bolts for your thermostat housing. Gasket, some Scotch-Brite, another little gasket. I'll have to read the instructions and make sure exactly what those are for. And an awesome Fleece American flag koozie. As always, awesome products from Fleece and awesome powder coating and service from WCFab. I'll be posting a full-length YouTube video on the installation of this once I'm ready to do it. Thanks for watching.